The weather in the village of Schaumburg is currently 39 degrees. We are expecting a high of 55 and a low of 33, with clouds and wind. Now, please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Peyton.
I pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
in sports. All three Chicago sports teams won last night. The Bulls beat the Milwaukee Bucks 91-82. The Cubs beat the Pittsburgh Pirates 5-2. And the White Sox beat the Indians 4-3. Clubs meeting today are the Green Thumb Club, Group C, at 11 o'clock in room 112. The Game and Conversation Club in room 109 at 3 o'clock. Lunch enrichment sign-up will take place in the gym during lunch recess. This will be the final session for enrichments for the school year. The art show at Friendship Village is tonight between 6 and 8 p.m. We look forward to seeing the 5th and 6th graders who submitted work, as well as the 4th grade photo club and the advanced 6th grade photo club. All are welcome. And tomorrow morning, the Rocketry Club will meet in room 210 at 7:45. Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that by recycling, we can keep 60 million tons or 120 million pounds of garbage out of landfills each year? That's a lot of garbage. That's all for today. This week's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the kindergartners in room 101. Have a Muffin Man Tuesday.